Hello everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. We have this lovely ingrown toenail. We did this side a couple of years ago, or a year and a bit ago, and now we have the other side to do. I don't really know why we didn't do the other side. I'm sure there was a discussion somehow, somewhere, where, I don't know, I think it was your decision, I don't know. But we're back, so it doesn't look too bad actually. And the nail is still wide. We're going to do a partial nail avulsion with phenolisation for 3 minutes. I'm going to start the procedure now. So we measured the nail to make sure that they're not kind of too small, and at least the other one will also looks kind of similar length. Good.
This patient did not want his conversation to be exposed, so you will just have to listen to some cool, funky music. I hope everyone will stay safe and protect yourself from the coronavirus. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you next week. Bye. If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.